I just want to reply long comment long you Berta. Harim Berta, you harim good reply below me long you. Baba you harim good. You have to listen very carefully. I will tell you something. Your comment is like this. One time through Bougainville building this black country through all rebel BRA. Now all like sim independence. PNC kisim independence ino lo lose him life. Well, PNC kisim independence long golden plate. PNC kisim independence long golden plate. You sabi lo di sila to. Why PNC been kissing independence lo golden plate? You say questioning you yet too. You sabi lo history too. Berta, you are remigut. Bougainville is the best island to talk about independence. Since 1964, not 1975. Na time only like declaring independence long Bougainville long 1st of September 1975. Something you twist around. You sabi lo di sila to. Bougainville been ready long come up independence. And this is the truth and this is the fact. Miyuklo talking mi Barta. You must sabi long history. Suppose you know sabi long history, you all sham diway no kat roots. You have to know your history. This blood diway emi kat roots. Suppose emi no kat roots, by die. This la flower, yeah, hibiscus, yeah. So if you don't know your history, you know kat tasol. Bougainville emi been prepared to come up independent. You know pa po ni kinibin tok pas long independence, kiss me good. Bougainville emi been tok pas long independence, na Bougainville been ready long come up independence. Na time only been like up in plek long Bougainville long 1975, 1st of September, something twist. You sabi lo dis lato. Time mi twist, how Bougainville building PNC, mi talking you. Michael Somarita been kissing this block. Kingship long kama Prime Minister through long Sepo Lapun. The Queen of England, no been put down long Port Moresby. I'm telling you. Me ko talking you. The Queen of England, been put down long this lagi round now, me stop long. Me can look go down long happen be stop lo been put down long Arawa town. You sabi ito. Emi put down long here. The best prime minister, the best guy to be become the prime minister of Papua New Guinea, man Bougainville, Sepo Lapun. You sabi lo dis la too. Okay, you sabi lo dis la too. Okay, time something been twist now na only been come up one time ting long, only give him back, only give him the PNC. The golden plate. Bougainville was ready at the time. Look, come up independence. Okay, time me twist. How Bougainville been building country PNC? I'm talking you now. Panguna mine, that is the only one mine. Long this black time. The best mining is at Kupe. Olo chairman been come making the best mining. You sabi lo this plateau. You know sabi. So how Bougainville been building? You long ask him. Bougainville been boosting economy long Papua New Guinea time because independence now long 16th of September 1975. Long mining. Long mining. Bougainville, no build him through long rebel. Me talk him you. Rebel. rebel. We are not rebel. We are freedom fighters. No kat wampla rebel istablo here lo Bougainville. I'm telling you right now. Chinese ting from you fucking asshole. There is no rebel in Bougainville. Harim. We are freedom fighters. We have the freedom fighters in Bougainville, not rebel. Fuck the rebel. Bougainville been building PNC through long mining. Bougainville boosting economy blong Papua New Guinea. Bougainville making economy currency blong Papua New Guinea ko abrusing currency blong Amerika. You sabi lo disla tu through lo ground lo sa Bougainville. Province blow you been making one name. Okay, at the time, may been running go. Okay. 1976 now, only been making sila Bougainville agreement under long mining act ya. Francis Ona, our great leader, me talking you know, sabi lo plus something. Me look sabi lo something, me go wrong, no good. Australian benefit more. PNG, me twisting something now. God is him, the God of Bougainville, and is him the only our great leader, Princess Ona. You sabi, you don't sabi. And is him, love something through the peace in. And the one guy, and is sana strong long people long Bougainville long sitting down this la Rio Tinto. You sabi lo this plateau. BRA and me come up behind Bougainville Revolutionary Army and me come up behind because long country belong you and me been start long bakarapin people belong Bougainville bakarapin giraun belong Bougainville giam animal people no kat look sabi long mama giraun no kat look sabi long all people belong Bougainville. That is why BRA come up. I hope you sabi how Bougainville been built in this black country where now it corrupt. Yes. That's why Midla still continue long fight, long independence. 25,000 life lost long Bougainville because long this, because long Australia and Papua New Guinea. Because we want independence in our land, and we will conduct our own our resources in our own land. Instead long come up slave long you. Now to you PNC slave long country Australian and this black. You don't know anything. You just shut the fuck up your mouth. I hope you know and you sabi. Now by you looking reply below me, now you sabi long how Bougainville built him this country because you question him. You know sabi na you question him. And sabi long him ya. Bougainville and no build him this country through long all rebel. No, there is no rebel in Bougainville. I'm telling you. Stop using that word to the people of Bougainville. No can using this blah. Have talk rebel long Bougainville. We are not the rebel. No one is a rebel here. We are good people. We are freedom fighters, and we are very nice people. We are welcoming people and respectful people in Bougainville. No rebel here. I'm telling you. Boy man, me talking you. Don't use that word to the people of Bougainville. We are not rebel. That's all. You clear now. By looking this post, na by you clear. Suppose you know sabi, now by you clear how Bougainville and me building this black country PNC. Country belong you me where now and me walk long bagarap. Thank you. Long dinaw, ibagarap long dinaw, planting kind mining stuff, planting kind something stuff, but emino kita along this black country. This black emi come long you na. Good black abinun long you na. Big man tasul by giving you more sabe na guluk sabe long one kind island in Bougainville. Instead long you talk kind long. Instead long you talk kind long social media also Facebook or one TikTok or one YouTube or one big man by showing you thinking blow you by clear. Thank you la. Good bla abnun long you bla all kata people.